first thing we've got to do, and there are three reasons why we've got to do this, is boil the pigtails. Now remember friends, this is salted pigtails that we're using. That is what we rock in the Caribbean. Reason one, we're trying to remove as much of that salt as we can. Reason two, and as we climb the ladder of reasons, it becomes more important. Reason two is to tenderize it a little bit. When we tenderize it and we pull some of that salt out of it, it will open up for flavors and the smoke later on. And reason three, most importantly, if we do not do that, the skin, there's the tail parts, their skin, once you smoke it, if you don't pre-boil it as I'm doing here, you will end up with leather. I guarantee you that. Now with that said, I think we should add some flavor to this, because yeah, the smoke will impart that lovely smoky flavor to these pigtails. But while we remove that salt, I think we should add some flavor, and that flavor is going to come compliments of some black peppercorns and allspice. We're going to go in with a few berries of allspice in there, and not to be forgotten and left out of the mix, a couple bay leaves. We're going to bring that up to a boil. We're going to reduce it to a simmer, and that's going to go for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. And we want that to get nice and tender. It won't be fully cooked all the way through to the point where it's falling apart. It's been about an hour or so, and what I've been doing is all the impurities at the top, I've been skimming it off and tossing it out. What I'm going to do is turn my stove off here. I'm going to drain it, pat it dry, allow it to cool for a few minutes so we can handle it, and outside onto the smoker now. We're outside now and we've got that smoke happening here. Coincidentally, I'm using a Traeger, but you can use any grill that you use for smoking. And all I'm doing is putting that pre-boiled pigtail on the grill here. And my temperature is about 180 degrees. I'm just setting these out here. Nice space between each piece, because we want that just to do its thing with that smoke. I'm going to cover it and we're going to leave it. Now here's the thing, I am using apple wood to smoke this. You can use whatever flavor you like. Personally, I like apple wood with pork. They go hand in hand together. But that is where we are now. We're just going to smoke these for a few hours. Well, I'm hoping that you guys can see me okay, because I'm trying something new. I'm outside here with the camera, but I wanted to touch on a few subjects here before we finish off the video. I've just got a couple more minutes to go with the smoking process there. Now, as far as the smoked pigtails are concerned, the reason why I'm doing it is to be able to flavor dishes later on. The next video I'm going to do, you'll see me use these smoked pigtails in that recipe. This is more about flavor. Now, if you wanted to cook this all the way through, I am going to shut off at 4 hours. You can give it longer and let it go tender and finish it off with some barbecue sauce. Your favorite barbecue sauce, chop it up and eat it like that. However, what I'm doing is, most of that is going to go into vacuum seal bags into my fridge once it's cooled down. And every time I want to do a dish that requires smoke, like, you know, where you would use smoked ham hocks, smoked turkey, all those things, I'm using smoked pigtails. Soup, cabbage, stews, hey, it's all kind of niceness. Now here's the thing, a lot of you won't be able to get access to salted pigtails. Stay tuned, later on in the year, maybe in about a month or so, I will show you guys how to make your own salted pigtails at home, so you can always have access to that. Yeah. Now another third thing I wanted to point out is, if you wanted a new barbecue pigtail recipe using everyday pigtails, not the salted ones, so you go to your butcher and they all have it. Ask them, hey, I want to get a couple pounds of pigtails. This is raw pigtails, not brine, not salted, not anything. I will show you guys how to barbecue that. I have a couple tricks I want to share with you all. But for now, let's finish off the video. And again, you want to enhance the flavors of dishes, this is the way to go. Smoked pigtails, you saw it here first on Caribbean Pot. Tell a friend. Let me jump back to the video now. What do you like the setting? A frame. Wait, just getting fancy, sir. That pose and thing. It's been just over 4 hours. And we've got that nice smoky smell throughout the garage. And these here, ladies and gentlemen, are the smoked pigtails. And you notice that lovely color we got there. We got that sort of amber color all over. We got that smoky color. We got all that flavor in there. So yeah, smoked pigtails. They were salted at first. Remember that these are salted pigtails that we added some more flavor to. And then we put it on that smoker there 4 hours, just over 4 hours. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, yeah? It's real nice.